Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'm going to show you how to make some chocolate fudge. Put the butter, sugar and milk in a pot and then put this on a medium heat on a hot plate. Stir until the sugar has dissolved and then leave this to boil. Leave it for a while and then keep on stirring at intervals so that your fudge does not stick and burn. Keep on doing this until your fudge reaches the right temperature on the sugar thermometer. Remove it from the heat and then stir it for a little bit. And then add in your chocolate. And then stir this together until the chocolate is melted. And then add in some vanilla extract. And then stir some more until it's completely mixed in. And then pour this into your prepared cake tin. Leave it to set for a little bit and then cut it into squares and then leave to cool completely. When it's cool completely, you can now serve. I'm going to break a piece and show you what it looks like. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.